VEMASS stands for Valcom Enterprise Management and Security Software. It's a powerful software application designed to operate within your end user's VM environment. VEMASS enables centralized control, monitoring, and management of individual Valcom systems. Think of it as a tool that offers visibility and control over multiple sites from a central hub, like a district office or a network operations center. Let's take a look at the primary capabilities and benefits of VEMASS. First, it can provide a pathway to remotely log into a Valcom application server that resides at any site within your system. The benefit is real-time visibility of things like lockdown confirmation graphics for the purpose of proactive issue management. It also enhances day-to-day tasks like the ability to remotely change bell schedules. Second, it provides a pathway to remotely log into a Valcom IP6K headend. This allows for remote troubleshooting and programming using the VIP102B setup tool to help reduce the need for on-site visits. Third, VEMASS can remotely trigger a playlist on any application server at a single or multiple locations. This provides the benefit of proactive security when trouble arises. For example, if news of a fugitive in the area prompts a precautionary lockdown of several locations, this can be done easily by creating a geofence around them on the interactive map and triggering the lockdown with just a few clicks. Fourth, VEMASS can send CAT messages, or Common Alerting Protocol, to any location within your system, the benefit of which is the ability to create a custom message on the fly. And fifth, VEMASS provides real-time visibility when a playlist is triggered at any location and displays that information on a live interactive map. The benefit of this enhanced visibility is more informed incident management. In fact, VEMASS can be configured so that when one location triggers a playlist, other locations are triggered as well. For example, if a school initiates a lockdown playlist, nearby schools can be programmed to launch a hold or secure playlist automatically. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your notification and alerting systems? Reach out to us today to learn how VEMASS can help.